Thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this side event, and really thanks for the videos, because it was really impact. And as a member of the parliament, I would suggest that to show this video to every parliament, because it is short, clear, full of pain and full of truth. And that is the fast way to show that what is happening in Afghanistan is not only something far of us, is present, and we have to fight to avoid that this situation is going on. As a member of the Italian Parliament, we are trying to create, and we have done, a group of Italian women, members of the Parliament, to support Afghan women. We don't know if it's the right way, but we are sure that Afghan women don't need any more words. They need concrete acts. And we would like to increase all the projects that are present in Europe to support the women to study. We would like to organize, to reinforce the humanitarian corridors to help Afghan women to come to Europe to study. We know that it's not possible, that a lot of women are now blocked at home, as my colleague said before, in front of the gate of the school, and to know that they can't have any chance in their life. We are women, we are feminists, that is sisterhood, and sisterhood doesn't need a border, and we have to work really to show to everybody that we are together. Less words, more action, and we have to work together, because too many times we felt alone with all the we want to help, but we don't know where we have to start. So we have to try to work really together to make this connection. Thank you.